guys, today I am back with another video and that's about study setup and I hope that it will help you. First I'm going to talk about study table, and if you don't have a study table, don't worry. You can sit on your floor, and because of some problem, if you cannot sit on the floor, then on your bed. So let's start with the study table. The first thing which you should have for a study table is an armchair, which should be in a comfortable height and so that you can study. And next is an alarm clock. It will show you how many hours you have spent for studying and tells you to take 10 to 20 minutes break, which is important for your concentration. Next is a water bottle because it's important for your hydration. So next I'm going to talk about the floor. How can you sit on the floor? The first thing you should have a stool so that on that you can study. And you should have a comfortable back support. Anything like a pillow or like this heighted pillow. And it's important that you should have a bright light falling on the stool where you're studying, and it's important that more and more ventilation is there. Next, let's talk about the bed. Bed also you should have a comfortable stool and a comfortable back support, and try to keep less and less books. Suppose if you're studying science, then you should have science textbook, a rough book which is important so that you can take important points, and you should have a classwork. These three are important, and also if you want, then you can keep your geometry box. If these all things are there, then you will have a comfortable and perfect study setup. Then in your break, if you take a break, then you can read a book, or if you have a Kindle, then you can read in your Kindle. And I hope that this all tips and tricks will help you. If you like it, share, subscribe and comment.